Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. So today is 17th of January 2021. So let's check out the introduction first before we proceed to the chart. Disclaimer, be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Okay, so you guys don't forget, you want to open a trading account with CGS-CIMB, don't forget use my form on the description below, and on the Facebook you can find the form where you can open the account and do your trading. Okay, before we start, don't forget also, do me a favor, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, so your comment is very, very important. Nowadays, we got a lot of two-way traffic. A lot of you comment, a lot of you also have a conversation now in the in the chat, conversation in Facebook, also have conversation in this YouTube. Okay, this is very welcome. So let's check out what is going on today. Of course, today we know that KLCI dropped. Technology has small rebound. Technology have small rebound, and a possible there is an opportunity for some. And I'm not saying pick up the technology stock possible opportunity to run first. Okay, never mind. We check out the global first. Later we talk about the technology. Morning session, morning video also I talk a lot about technology because the strongest in the morning is technology. Okay, never mind. Let's check out. Today BURSA dropped 1542. Let me refresh. Scared got last minute window dressing. So 1542, 12.41 points down. Early morning already down. This one really saw already down. 0.798% drop. Singapore 0.171% up, Hong Kong 0.678% drop, South Korea 1.089% drop, Japan 0.744% up. So let's look at China 0.553% up, FTSE China SSE 0.580% up, SE 1.505% up, Australia 0.316% up. So New Zealand 0.131% up, Taiwan 0.664% up, India Nifty 0.279%. So not bad today. Asia market not bad. Most of it rebound today. Look at Europe, FTSE 0.682% up, DAX 0.217% up. Look at Dow Jones US. So Europe also not bad. Look at Dow Jones 0.559% drop, NYSE 0.231% drop. S&P 0.082% up, Nasdaq 0.587% up. So Nasdaq dropped up a bit. Okay, so you guys who is still holding, who want to planning to sell some of your technology stock, because you scared the price continue, this market continue to drop, right? So today, what's the Nasdaq? Okay, I think Nasdaq got a small rebound these few days. That's why Friday I said those when I say run that time already run. Okay, congratulations. Those haven't run, never mind. Okay, some of you asked me Friday whether want to sell or not. It's already quite late Friday already dropped a lot of the technology stock, already dropped maybe 20% already, 15-20%. So you sell now, probably there is a small rebound after a big drop, right? A lot of people think that it's cheap to buy so some will buy. So there could be a small rebound. During this rebound, maybe it's a chance to run. Where you want to run is up to you because I don't know where you bought the price. If you buy it cheap, of course you cannot run early. If you buy it high, then maybe you have to see whether two more days whether it can rebound more or not before you run. So crude palm oil 5,300 still okay. But crude palm oil, remember we checked the chart this afternoon. The palm oil price CPO chart. So doesn't look very good. Brent oil 85.81, crude oil 83.84. So the oil is still doing quite well. Okay, crude oil now is almost at all-time high last year. Not the previous all-time high. Last year all-time high around 84 point something, right? So almost there, hanging around there. If this one can hang around 84, should be good. If this one cannot drop back to below 80, then possible you have to run. Possible all the oil stock have to run. Okay, gold 1821 not moving. Gold and silver is just hanging yo-yo around 1008. Nothing much to talk about. Okay, look at KLCI today. So KLCI expected. Okay, last week I already said this drop, expected it to break through this line. I don't think this line can hold because divergence. Okay, RSI divergence. I don't think this one can hold now. Today already broke the first support 155. Sorry, this support line, the first support, second support 1546, second support, three support also broken this line. So all the support all broken now. Most likely will come back to 1525 lah. 1525. 1525 should be the actual level before the window dressing lah. Around 1005 to 1525. Here should be the level before window dressing. So so it should drop back below here, around here 1525 to 1005 area lah. Should be lah. Okay. So short term stock, you want to play touch and go short term stock, now dropping, reversing, dropping, losing money, I will cut. For me lah, I will cut. I will only for now, I will only look for to pick up all the value stock. Now you guys say I seldom talk about value investing. Right now I talk about value investing. Value investing is buying those stock. Fundamental is very good, capable of making good money, capable of making good revenue, but the stock suddenly dropped due to some policy problem, some economic issue, all these things. So it dropped very low. So it's time to value invest, buy the stock when it's cheap, right? So I will look more into buying the value investment stock. Technology stock is all very expensive already. No more no value. After this drop, maybe it become value. Maybe become value investing. So we want to buy when it's cheap. So it doesn't drop much. If it doesn't drop much, so I'm not very interested. If it drop a lot, then I'm interested. If it doesn't drop much, maybe I'm more interested in buying those midterm recovery stock. So those I will aim for more recovery stock. So this year I will talk about aim more about recovery stock, and possible I will find those a recovering stock. I will probably add. When they drop again, I will add this type of strategy. This is probably is a strategy for this year for me. Hey, what happened to this? Okay, let's look at the sector. Today sentiment 38, gainers 337, losers 556, 2.585 billion. So tomorrow is holiday. I almost forgot tomorrow. I think it's holiday, right? Give me 1 second. Yep, tomorrow is Thaipusam Day. So okay, happy Thaipusam Day for you guys celebrating the Thaipusam. And so tomorrow no market. That's why market today is a bit slow lah. Market a bit slow today. Okay, so consumer drop 0.2, industry drop 1.0. Industry also be careful lah. Industry start to be quite soften a bit. So industry stock we pick up a few industry stock, right? Also not doing very well. Also, if you hit your break even or you hit your stop loss, this one out first. Industry stock. Or you got chance to take some profit first. So this one doesn't look good also because of this KLCI big drop. Because these are all not recovery stock. Industry stock is still momentum stock. Even though we are playing, we pick up, but it's still momentum stock. So momentum stock will be affected by this KLCI drop. Okay, this drop will be affected. All the stock will be affected, but mostly affected will be the momentum stock. Construction 0.17 drop, technology 0.49 up. Construction 0.17 up, technology 0.49 up. So I dropped a bit. Afternoon, I think it went up higher. Finance 0.385 down. This one, property down 0.48. Plantation down. Also plantation. That's why I thought plantation, right, is quite risky due to the CPO price. I think already hit ceiling 1.45. RET drop 0.25. Energy 0.63 down. Energy still down. Healthcare 0.8 down. Healthcare still cannot play. Telco 1.08. Telco also all because of this you know this control of the 5G this already killed the temporarily not kill pause the 5G this development of 5G transportation. Just my opinion it's not investment advice maybe I'm wrong so transportation 1.11 down, utility 0.49 down so market today bad okay, so let's look at so afternoon I got post morning update tech stock rebound so this one okay, rebound. What do you do? What should you do during the rebound So today market also slow viewers also today viewers also so little 100 over only. Normally 300 normally by evening already 700 already okay this one yeah, today slow viewers also a bit slow because tomorrow holiday okay, so look at the news. Okay, first news, AirAsia aiming to become largest food delivery ride-hailing company in Asia. This one probably they can do it. Why I say probably they can do it? They already achieved it. Remember the AirAsia, the lowest, the top low fare in Southeast Asia, right? I'm not mistaken, right? One of the top low fare or AirAsia low fare this airline, right, in Southeast Asia, right? So they have a history that they can do it. If history of failure, continue failure, right? History of success, probably they got a lot of chance for success. Or Asia also become a success or doing because what he planned and he managed to do it. So this one most probably he got a good chance of doing it. So those doers always can do those cannot doers always cannot do normally it's like that so this one probably I gave him a good chance but Asia continue to drop so Asia continue to drop. We still still wait for it. Still wait for the pattern. Wait for the pattern. Wait for the pattern to play. Wait for the pattern. Wait for the recovery pattern. I still haven't seen the recovery pattern. Now got a pin bar. So a lot of you guys actually already picked some here, right? You pick some here. I think still possible. Still okay Still watch and wait and see Wait and see I think most likely I still think it might still drop to the previous low price here. The pandemic price. I think there will be more support over here. But around here, I think around here should be around here possible. It should be around here drop until 50 over cent. I don't think it can drop lower. I don't think it can drop much lower than here. Why I don't think so? I tell you why I don't think so. The first big pandemic, right? The first big pandemic, March 2020, right? The big drop, you see the big scare during this one. The big scare, the big MCO drop. Okay, all the airline got what you call it? All the air flight got suspended. Okay, went down to here. Around here, right? 50 cent is the lowest. Okay, around 40. It went down around 49, but it hold around 50 cent. Okay, so the next big drop, also pandemic big drop also is around 50 cent. Okay, so my benchmark to buy now would be around 50 cent. Around 50 cent. Around 50 cent. I don't think it will go any lower. But anything happen. But history tell us what? History tell us, okay, whatever pandemic, whatever very horrible thing happened, right? It dropped lowest. The most horrible thing that happened, it dropped lowest to 50 cent. But this time PN17 is not that serious because expected PN17 but now they are going to able to fly again but they are doing the e-hailing, all these things. But the problem, they got a lot of debt. The debt is crazy debt crazy debt. Don't know they can pay or not. That's a problem so these two time we don't think Asia will crash. Not crash, sorry. We'll have we'll burn out the fight. Means we have they have severe financial issue, but I don't think it will be the company will have what do you call it something that happened with last time the US company. What was the US company that got burned due to cash flow? What was that? Give me 1 second. Yeah, remember this one, the what WorldCom, right, and Enron, right, run into financial issue, right, due to the cash flow problem. So so all filed for bankruptcy, right? So this one, hopefully not lah, but they are in very serious debt. Hopefully, doesn't seem that people doesn't think that it will bankrupt lah, because people are still buying their bond, right? Their bond, people are still buying it like crazy. So most likely, so it should be okay lah. But it's a very big debt company, big company with a very big debt. But if someone can turn this around, that would be this our Mr. Tony Fernandez. If anyone could turn it around, the person will be this this our famous Tan Sri Tony Fernandez. Yeah, Tan Sri Tony Fernandez, right? So SMTRAK, no wonder SMTRAK flies so crazy, because now they fight with 5 other listed firm, 5 other listed firm in 5G joint venture, so they are doing they are going to do 5G, the consortium include 5G Infratech, what are they here? Country Height Holding, Jakun, SERSOL, Tekna, and MQ. So these are the 5 companies that went in to do this 5G, the consortium of 6 listed firms into invest in 5G venture. So maybe take a look at these two. This one I'm not very familiar. SMTRAK. Let's see SMTRAK. What happened to SMTRAK? Well, now starting to drop already. Already finished scoring. News come out already. So buy the rumor, sell the news. So this one news already come out already. I think SERSOL. I think I got SERSOL, right? SERSOL scoring only went up, come back down. So nothing up, nothing much for SERSOL. Scoring come back down, come back down. SERSOL and MQTECH. Take a quick look at MQTECH. Not very familiar. All these, I think, all these are scoring stock. All these are, I think, all these in the consortium must be trying to gain something. MQTECH. I don't have MQTECH. Take a look, MQTECH. I'm not familiar with MQTECH. Just take a look. MQTECH, I think, is supposed to be technology, right? Okay, MQTECH also big scoring come back down already, so nothing much to talk about. Big scoring come back down already. Better don't chase anymore. The news already come out already. So this one is scoring the news. So how they can do it or not, we have to wait and see. So big scoring, this one. Possibly scoring already finished. Scoring already finished. I won't play this one. Too late already. Too late to play. Okay, so MQTECH maybe put here. So Iconic, their factory done ready. Iconic ready, their factory right on track. Become blazer glove face mask producer in the world in the 5-year mass order mass order for US, Europe, Africa, and Asia. So they got 2.2 hectare minimum, 3.3 billion pieces of nitrate, a glove, and 220 million of a medical grade face mask per annum. Okay, so they should be doing well, but whether their stock are doing well, we have to take a look. Iconic. Oh, Iconic dropped like crazy. Now maybe bottom in already. Maybe the nitrate, maybe got some bottom play. Pick some bottom, maybe can. goes through here, maybe can pick some bottom. Now, since they are factory ready, maybe got some good news coming. Could possibly can try a little bit, maybe can hit some lottery, maybe can go back up very high. Stop loss will be here. Stop loss will be here. 0.27. This one. If it goes through 0.310, hold above, maybe can try try a little bit. Maybe can try come back. Let me see. Iconic. Iconic 9113. Since their factory already done, maybe can have, maybe got a chance. Maybe long term, hold some long term. Stop loss is around 0.27. Oh, quite big, 11%. Play little bit, small little bit this one. After it slowly go up, only add now maybe pick. I want to play, maybe pick little bit The big resistance, I would say, first target will be 0.35. Second target will be here, 0.41. Not too much to take pick this one. Because glove is still glove not very big potential now doing glove. Not like 2 years ago maybe play little bit. Hopefully can hit lottery this one. Okay. Let's put alarm here. See whether can hit lottery or not. Iconic. See whether can hit lottery or not. They got volume. You see, volume suddenly pick up. So there is some buying optimism here, Iconic. So China economy still very strong. Q4 and 2021 GDP grow faster than expected. So their economy actually grow faster. This GDP actually went to 8.1% rather than 8.0 expected. So China is very strong, despite the stock market dropping. But there are signs that their economy is weakening. Okay, so technology, the focus in 2020 and market remain flush with liquidity. So this one, I think it's Kenanga. So Kenanga say call still continue to favor technology, gaming, and oil and gas. So he still watching this. He think that this one still got chance to grow. But we watch the chart. Okay, so I'm not saying that this technology is already bear market. Technology will have I'm saying that technology might have a bigger correction, means it dropped much lower before we're gonna pick up. It might still got chance to go up again. Why it got chance to go up again? I talked about it extensively on the Friday video. So don't forget, watch the Friday video. Friday video, I don't want to repeat. Morning already I talked about it. Evening also I talk about it. Also the Friday video here. This one, 3 days ago. This video. Check out the Friday video. I talk about it extensively, so I will not repeat that again. So okay, so this one also got some pick some. Also he say depends on this US Fed how many this interest rate how many time they want to increase the interest rate. Also local government how many time they want to increase interest rate. So Inari also they got some TP they also bring some fundamental news. So TP here M Research give 4.62 okay, Inari. So we got some data here to look at. Inari 4.62. Okay, so Inari 4.62. M Research give 4.62 So wait for it to correct finish, then only we pick up. I'm not saying that this one technology got no chance. As I said, technology drop very cheap. I still got interest to buy on. We got say Inari, we got say KGB. This one give Kenanga give 250. KGB Kenanga give 250. Let's see Kenanga KGB. KGB. Still dropping lah. Oh, lucky we run already that day here. Continue drop. Kenanga give 250. Or still they remain here so high. Oh, that's why because the bank gives so high, I thought we really got one more wave, but now already dropping, don't play first. Maybe still got one more wave, but the correction not yet finished. This is a false break. Went up, come back down into channel, false break. So run first. Okay. Maybe still got chance, still got one more, maybe still got one more push up. Genting, okay, Genting, this one RSB top pick, Genting target price 6.1, so steady, so don't, these few days, Genting drop, so don't lose your sleep first, Don't lose your sleep first, so RSB give confident vote, RSB give confident vote 6.1, so okay, so still can sleep now. Genting got some drop, but got some support as I said got some support Genting give RSB give 6.1, and RSB Kenanga give RSB 6.5, 6.5. So look at RSB. So as I said, LSB, if it drop, I will buy more. So 6.5. Like Kenanga give 6.5 here. So all the target are here. Okay. So still okay. I think it will have some correction. It will drop. Or it will drop first. It will drop first before it go up again. Also say about dialogue. I think dialogue. Okay. Dialogue give Kenanga give 3.5. Oh, dialogue big drop. Lucky we say this one run first. The rebound run first. But yeah. Dialogue maybe that day, maybe I said this one went above 2.7, maybe can buy in, but today drop back down. This one out yeah, drop back down out. Dialogue also out first So this, you see the big sell down, very big sharp down. This is very bad. This kind of drop, right, is very bad. You know why it's very bad, right? Because it covered all the previous candle over here, so this is very bad. This one, dialogue out first. Dialogue out first. Dialogue looks like cannot. For now. Long term maybe can, but for now cannot. And doesn't look like it can be, doesn't look like it's very strong. So COVID, now 2003 already, not bad, getting better. So oil climb on a supply worry, limited Omicron impact. So this story say the oil should be going up again because this OPEC not making enough, not producing enough. So looks good for this oil. So Abdul Karim ceased to be substantial shareholder of K Power, so he already sold a lot of share on the K Power. So now he's no more the biggest shareholder. So take a look at K Power, see this news can got anything. Finance. Nothing still going down K Power. So Bank Negara are likely to raise interest rate in 2022. So looks like they are going to raise interest rate very likely but they say not so early probably now it's 1.75 possibly end of the year, later this year I think I read it somewhere here, right? Second half, allowing Bank Negara to initiate a gradual monetary tightening process in the second half. So maybe later this year they will increase. So increase this rate, probably will be good for the bank lah. Probably will be good for the bank. So Malaysia to grow 5.6% in 2022. This one SLBC say lah. Instead of 6% now, this one SLBC say is 5.6 lah. So around 5.6 to 6 around there. So let me see what else. Did we miss out anything or not? There's one news about MAXIS gone already. So MAXIS, there's one news talking about MAXIS, giving MAXIS bank is, but there's one bank talk about MAXIS. I don't think I think I missed out this one. Neutral, MIDF neutral and MAXIS give target at let me see, why was it 4.5 4.5 so MAXIS market is not optimistic on MAXIS because they are because the 5G issue could be due to the 5G issue, so they are giving 4.5. So now MAXIS dropping again, so nothing much other than the window dressing, nothing much to play MAXIS. Okay, so MPI, UNISEM, GREYTECH, all these all same with afternoon all drop, all got a small rebound. If you got chance if you got chance to play MPI, take a quick look me got small rebound, you got chance to run probably you run I don't know where do you buy, because different people buy different price if I already near break even price like MPI got rebound, maybe already at break even price, maybe I want to out first so if you already bought the price already went very far from your buying price, let's say 20% down already, right? Probably you want to wait a few more days, because next week the US Fed I think got announcement also. Probably they might see the market doing too bad, they might want to announce something to push up the market a bit, then probably there is a bigger rebound. Also wait a few more days, see how wait for a few more days, see and look at the US market, Nasdaq and SOSX, see how the US market developing. If the US market have a slight rebound, maybe this one you got chance to rebound and recover a bit if you rerun, of course, fantastic previously when I said a few days ago when I run that time, if you rerun, then it's okay. But you are not, if you haven't run, so you be careful, you watch the market closely. If Wednesday, because you see all these tech stock already oversold, so technically there could be a small rebound. How far it can go up, we don't know, but technically there's a small rebound possible. Then maybe you wait for a few more days, see what happened to the rebound. No need to rush, because you already, it's not like, or tomorrow if I don't sell, I might start to lose money, right? If already drop 20%, so no need to rush it already. Okay, just watch closely, see what happened. Penta is a small rebound, most likely going down some more. Penta not so strong, the rebound. Who else? GREYTECH. Similar you wait for a few more days, wait for Wednesday, maybe Wednesday, Thursday it might rebound a bit. Then only you want to see what you want to do, because already dropped far already. Just starting, if you still got time to run without any losses, maybe you want to run first, but if you already drop so much, maybe wait a few more days and see. Okay, so see you again tomorrow. Stay safe from COVID. Bye bye.